Hi everyone, I'm so excited to finally introduce the FlexAbilities step-by-step system on how to become flexible. This is the first system of its kind that's going to take you from beginner to advanced levels of flexibility. And the way it works is there will be 50 lessons, and these 50 lessons will be divided into 5 categories. Level 1 will be lessons 1 through 10, level 2, 10 through 20, and so on till you get to level 5. After every 10 lessons, there will be a self-assessment to see if you are ready to move on to the next level. And if you're not ready to move up quite yet, you will continue practicing those stretching routines in your current level until you are ready to reassess and hopefully move up to the next level. Let's take a quick look at the website. You can see how I post my 6 most recent videos right here on the homepage. To get to FlexAbilities Pro, you can click right here on this button or go to the menu bar and click here. This page is where all 50 of the FlexAbilities Pro lessons will be located, along with their video libraries. For example, lessons 1 through 10 will be located right here. Then you can scroll down for additional training videos in Level 1. When you are ready, click here to take the Level 1 Flexibility Quiz. If you pass, you are ready to move on to Level 2. Over the next few months, I'm going to be working on creating this step-by-step system that's going to take you from the very beginning and teach you how to become a pro. You can join me at FlexAbilities.com and subscribe for $10 per month. This is one of the most cost-efficient flexibility training programs out there, and you can join me from your own living room. I hope to see you there. Bye!